Take out the crossbeam and pillar with motor. Connect the power cord of the rolling shutter and the motor power cord, penetrating from the top of the column to the bottom of the column. Take out the bottom plate and stick it to the column. Fix with screws. Take out the sink with lights. Install onto the crossbeam through the slot on the crossbeam. Is connected to the column through a metal slider on the back. Tighten it with an Allen wrench. Stand up the installed crossbeam. Take out the crossbeam and connect it to the column through a metal slider. Tighten the screws on the crossbeam with an Allen wrench. After the installation of the 4 crossbeams, it is also necessary to check whether the diagonal length of the column is consistent. Connect the light strip line. Assembly of blinds. Take out the motor blades. Install the motor blade cover onto the motor blade. Tighten the screws. Take out the other end of the blade cover and install it onto the motor blade. Tighten the screws. Take out ordinary blades. Install the ordinary leaf cover onto the ordinary blade. Tighten the screws. Take out the other end of the blade cover and install it onto the regular blade. Tighten the screws. Complete the assembly of the blinds in sequence. Install the assembled louvers onto the crossbeam. Unscrew the motor screws. Install motor louvers. Complete the installation of blinds in sequence. Install cable box cover. Install the cable box cover onto the crossbeam. Fix about 3 to 4 self-tapping screws in the groove of the online box cover. Install the top cover of the column and tighten the screws. Take out the linkage rods on both sides. Connected to the blade through screws. Insert the screw and place the gasket between the linkage rod and the louver. Be careful not to tighten the screws too tightly, just tighten the blue rubber ring completely. Plug in the motor power supply. Take out the remote control. By pressing the up and down buttons on the remote control, position the motor hose inside the crossbeam. Align with the hole position of the louver and cover. Reinstall the screws that were previously unscrewed. Install windproof roller blinds. Remove the fixing screws of the truck with an Allen wrench. Split the truck into 3 parts: lower truck, plastic truck, and upper truck. Insert both the left and right lower tracks into the end cover. Stand up the roller blind and place it on the installation surface of the pavilion. When the rolling shutter is close to the installation surface of the pavilion, first thread the motor wire of the rolling shutter through the opening on the pillar of the pavilion. Use a laser level to shoot straight lines on the left and right tracks to ensure verticality. The edge of the rolling shutter should be level with the edge of the column. Fix with self-tapping screws. After fixation, it is necessary to measure whether the upper, middle, and lower dimensions are consistent. Install plastic tracks, one end with a triangular opening facing upwards. Insert roller shutter zipper. Also check if the sponge is inserted into the track. Install the track. Reinstall the screws that were previously removed and cover them with a rubber plug. The installation of the later sets follows the same method as the first set. Rolling shutter wiring. If there is only one set of roller blinds, the power cord and motor cord of the roller blinds should be directly connected with a connector. If the pavilion is equipped with 2 or more sets of rolling shutters, T-shaped connectors are required. The wires connecting the next set of roller blinds are usually pre-embedded in the crossbeam. Plug in the roller blind power supply. Take out the remote control. Press the up and down keys. Test whether the rolling shutter is running normally. Drill holes in the bottom plate of the column with an impact drill. Install the expansion screw and tighten it. Take out the decorative cover and install it onto the pillar. Installation is complete.